Mexico's known for having some of the best tacos in the entire world.
So we're taking you along on a taco tour of Puerto Vallarta along with Vallarta Food Adventures, where we're trying everything from tacos, tostadas, churros, and everything in between.
Hi, I'm Steven.
And I'm Giselle.
And we are known as the Lover's Passport, and we travel all around the world, and we want to help you with our travel tips and itineraries. Let's get right into it.
We're going into our first tasting at Mariscos El Güero, and we're gonna take you along for the ride.
That's really good. This is marlin. It's called the bacon of the sea. Pretty good to start.
I'll like scoop it on here. Okay, we get some.
First impression, she's going in. Is it the bacon of the sea?
Salty.
We're gonna have to rank all of our 8. So this is number 1 so far. Margarita time. All right. Ooh, that is really good.
Strong?
No, not at all. The salt with it.
Steven's cleaning shop.
It's too good with their secret sauce, unlabeled secret sauce.
You gotta give me a ranking.
I feel like a 7 or an 8.
All right, starting high. Taco number 1.
All right, lime's going on. This is fried Mahi Mahi.
Looks delicious.
We have the homemade pico on that. All right.
Should I put the avocado sauce on it or no?
Ooh, yes.
The avocado sauce?
Avocado sauce.
So pretty. Oh.
All right. She's going in.
Taco 1.
Initial thoughts? Oh boy. How's the crunch?
Good crunch.
Mahi Mahi? You ate Mahi Mahi last night, didn't you?
I did. That was really nice. Kind of reminds me of fried chicken.
All right, burst the chip. The bacon of the sea. You like this better? Oh boy. All right, first place done.
All right, onwards.
Everything was delicious.
You ready?
Are you ready?
Yes.
This
Started
place
off
was
really strong.
This place was especially awesome because it was all family run. Inside, they had cousins, they had sons. They started off on the street, and now they made it into a restaurant. So we're going off to number 2, which is another restaurant until we start going to some of the street vendors. All right, next up is Sonorita.
Taco number 2.
Super fun place. Look at all the lights, cruising through. All right, we are now at spot number 2. This is called Senorita. Tacos have arrived. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
Thank
Look
you.
at this. Are you excited? This is supposed to be the OG taco. This is like where it all began.
A mix of dressings and salsas. This is a chipotle sauce. He said it's kind of mild. I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to spice.
All right, let's see how it compares to our first 2. We had the bacon of the sea.
The first one wasn't a taco. The first one is chips.
I mean, it was still a type of meat. And then the second one was a taco. So what's G's impression gonna be?
I'm putting on the chipotle mild stuff. All right. Oh yeah. We're going in. The plan is to get back to Vancouver eventually.
All right.
I don't want to like spill anything. Ready?
Okay. Yeah.
The
First impressions?
Yeah, I can. Definitely a little spicier.
Ooh.
The flavor is definitely better.
All right. So what would you rank it out of our 3 so far?
The best.
Top. This is number 1.
This is now replaced the other one.
Oh shoot. All right. Why'd you like it?
Okay,
Why is this the best one?
The flavor on this one was much better. The pineapple in the pastor taco was so refreshing. Never had a taco like that.
I think that especially because we had a little bit of a smoky salsa to go on top
The
with the
chipotle
pineapple.
sauce. Yeah.
Amazing. So that was number 3. Off to the next one. We'll see that. G is still thinking about the food.
I'm still thinking about the taco.
We are now here at Taco Memo. As you can see, it's not a restaurant. It's actually just a little shack right here. But it's really interesting because it combines a taco and a tostada. So Really interested to see how it turns out being. Super fun spot. This is spot number 3. We're gonna keep on cruising.
They hand press them, and then for the volcan, they let them toast on the grill. Once they're crispy, Memo would add asadero cheese. This cheese is cow's milk. It will melt really nice on that chip. And then comes the protein, is what you see right there on the grill. This is what we call carne asada. Could be essentially skirt steak or sirloin, but very thinly sliced, like that one. Just salted. There's really no marinade. There's no secret behind carne asada. It's just the quality of the steak and that mesquite.
Okay, so I put an avocado salsa and a tiny spicy smoky one. So we'll see how it goes.
All right, here's the taco.
This one's more loaded than the rest of them.
The taco mixed with the tostada. I love tostadas, so I'm really intrigued.
Let's see if it like holds up.
All right, let's see. Initial bite. Oh, that crunch.
I'd say right behind the last one.
Okay, so this is number 2.
It's now number 2.
Number 2, all right. The taco mix as a tostada. Going in at number 2 so far. I think this takes number 1 for me. I would put this at the very, very top on top of pastor, and then where we started was the fried Mahi Mahi. So I'm really interested to see if it keeps going, if it just keeps getting better and better. I'm hoping that's what it was. But the really cool thing about all these taco shops is they've all been around for 36 years at least, because that was the last time they issued a permit for anyone in the city, because it gets so busy here that if you have a permit to create a taco shop, then you keep it basically the entire time. So it started off amazing. We're really excited to see the latter half of this food tour. Thank you. You guys have been amazing. So good.
Thank you, my friend.
Mariscos and arroz. This is spot number 5. Excited to see what this one's like.
We're doing a crab enchilada and a shot of the famous Puerto Vallarta tequila. Okay, so this is a palate cleanser, and we're not doing it like a shot. This is sipping. You do this before you take the shot.
Just try the orange. Once you have that beautiful,
Very good.
make sure you empty your lungs before you sip. So, and then you sip.
We have a crab enchilada. It's covered in some shrimp type of sauce. Really intrigued, so let's go for it. We gotta get a little bite of everything. Got some avocado. Got the enchilada. Got some of the nice jalapeno salsa. Oh. That is really creamy.
Immediate first impression?
Oh, I would rank it as a 2.
Like
I would say 2 so far.
behind the last one?
1 I would do is the tostada still. 2 I would do this. 3 I would do the pastor. 4 I would do
The first place.
the bacon of the sea.
Really?
5 I would do the fried Mahi Mahi. So far. All right, G's going in. It's pretty creamy, isn't it?
Really creamy.
All right. What's first impressions?
This light spice. I feel like I still like the El Pastor one the best.
Okay. Where's this going?
Then the tostada thing from the last place. Then this one's tied with the Mahi Mahi for me.
Okay, really?
Our final taco stop was from Tacos El Cabeza El Chulo, and these were some of the best tacos I've ever had. They were so good. They are different than the others because it is meat from the head of the cow instead of other parts of the body.
All right, last taco of the day. It's hot. I'm gonna wait a second.
This one's the beef cheek.
This is the head.
The beef cheek.
The head.
It's been around for over 50 years.
Yeah, this taco place has been around for over 50 years, 4 generations. It is the cutest little, look at this little thing. So we got about 2 bites, let's see it. Oh. Wow, that is tender. I'd give this going to number, I'd say 2. This is 2.
Behind which one? Behind the tostada thing?
I'd say directly behind the tostada. Yeah, this is
So the best actual taco.
the best actual taco. It's just the tenderness level. I think it doesn't have the pineapple, but it's very, very traditional, very delicious. All right, G's turn. Going in on the
This
head.
is like a true. Stop saying that. It's the,
All right, the cheek.
oh, this is hot.
That's what I said, no?
Wait until after work.
The tenderness.
That was really tender.
Tacos de cabeza.
And it's just so easy to eat. Like I feel like the other meats and stuff, you need to like really chew. This
That
is
literally
like,
melts in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth.
Starship nozzle, but it's hand pressed or hand squeezed out. So then they use the spiral.
After a ton of tacos, it was time for desserts. We went to 2 different dessert spots. First one we went to was freshly made churros.
We got a bonus dessert number 1, some churros.
Mega crunchy. Like, I say 5 times crunchier than the American version. The sugar tastes completely different in the American version as well.
That's what it looks like. It's a little hot, right off the grill.
Whoa. The crunch is absurd. It's like eating a chip. That's amazing. All right, we just had a churro. It was fantastic. G, what'd you think?
It is really good. It was very crispy.
Incredible. We are on our way to the last stop of the day. We have had 7 amazing meals. I still think the tostada was number 1 for me. We are on our way to the last one. Let's see how it is. We were here earlier actually for lunch. They have amazing coffee, they have great chocolate. This is the chocolate factory, Puerto Vallarta. So we got 2 different ones. I got the peanut butter cup because I am in love with Reese's.
I got the dark chocolate with Bailey's.
All right, let's see how they are.
That's really good. 75% dark chocolate.
Oh, you went for the 75%?
Oh yeah, that's good.
It literally has a full layer of peanut butter inside of this. Look at that. Has some peanuts at the top. Oh. Wow. Reese's need to step up their game.
Wow, that is that's a review.
They're not even close. Wow.
So that is it for our food taco tour with Vallarta Adventures. My favorite was the El Pastor. Steven's was the
Tostada.
And so we definitely recommend doing this tour. It's a really great way to acquaint yourself with the city of Puerto Vallarta and get to know all the local restaurants and taco stands and everything in between. So good. Definitely recommend. It's a perfect amount of food. It's not like we did this food tour in Iceland, if you guys want to check that out up here. It's not like that where you're leaving and you're super full, like overly full. This one is like the perfect amount of food. So definitely check it out. And with that, we will see you on the next adventure.